Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to allow group members on Telegram to send voice messages with the latest update. If you're an admin of a Telegram group and want to enable this feature so your members can communicate more freely, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're inside, go to the group chat where you want to enable voice messaging. Next, tap on the group's picture or name at the top of the chat screen. This will open the group's information page. Now, look for the edit icon and tap on it to access the group settings. In the settings menu, find and tap on permissions. This section controls what members can and cannot do in the group. Scroll down to find the send media option and tap on it to view the list of media permissions. Here, you will see a list of different media types that members can send. Look for the voice messages option and make sure it has a check mark next to it. If it's unchecked, tap it to enable voice messages for all group members. Once you've done this, members of your group will be able to send voice messages freely, making your group chats more interactive and engaging. That's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully allowed your Telegram group members to send voice messages. This feature is great for sharing quick updates, stories, or just making conversations more personal. Thanks for watching and enjoy your enhanced Telegram group experience.